Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you own the device or have explicit permission to change it, because that determines your options. Once done, inspect Chrome for extensions flagged as managed by an organization so you understand scope and impact. Make sure to note which account is enrolled in management and collect device identifiers and policy notices. This documentation is essential if you need to request removal or to perform a supported reset. Do not attempt covert workarounds. Prepare legitimate channels instead. You should pursue official remedies. Contact the administrator or IT help desk and provide the extension names and the device information you gathered, because administrators can remove or change policies centrally. Once you raise a ticket, follow their troubleshooting steps and ask for confirmation of policy edits or targeted uninstallation. If the device is personally owned but enrolled in management, make sure you understand enrollment versus local account control, so you and the admin can coordinate a safe reversal. For a final resolution on a device you legitimately control, consider formally unenrolling the device from management or performing a full reset, but only after backing up data and verifying you have authority to do so. Once done, reconfigure accounts and verify the extension is gone. If you cannot complete these steps, escalate through your organization's documented support channels or request written approval for IT to act on your behalf. A single troubleshooting tip: preserve logs and screenshots to speed any escalation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.